Many of us have recently spent a lot of time staring at ourselves,
while our social media is clogged with influencers showing their pearly whites.
So you might be wondering if and how you can get your teeth whitened without looking like Ross. In this video, IndyBest is going to show you the best teeth whitening kits to use at home.
While professional whitening is best, home kits can offer an affordable fix that will leave your teeth looking pristine, and we're going to take you through our top tried and tested picks.
All the links can be found in the description box of this video, and you can head over to IndyBest to read all of our reviews.
For those looking to merely dip their toes into the expanding market, Regenerate's Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste is a great starting point, and it costs just £10. It has a gel-like formula, apart from a slightly warm sensation, acts like a toothpaste with a minty fresh taste.
Using Regenerate's NR5 patent technology, there was a little bit of a slow burn on this one, so you might not see instant results.
But we were impressed with the results after a couple of weeks.
But for the easiest treatment to apply, you can't go wrong with these Pro Teeth Whitening Company premium dental strips, which cost £20. After getting your mouth as dry as possible, place the strips on your teeth for 30 minutes before cleaning off any residue.
A week in, and our teeth looked whiter than they had in years, and the effect only improved over the second half of the 14-day treatment.
Links for these and all the other products featured can be seen in the description box.
For those that want something a bit more au naturel, try Kiki Health Activated Charcoal Powder.
Activated charcoal is an age-old beauty hack and has really come back into fashion for everything from skin exfoliators to clearing your pores.
When it comes to applying this to your teeth, it will feel a little odd at first, especially when you catch sight of yourself in the mirror.
But trust us, it does work. It does take a couple of weeks for you to see results, but a pop does last a while, so it's great value at £10.
If you're looking for something a little extra to light up your smile, this LED teeth whitening kit from SmileTime is the one for you, which will set you back £40.
While most teeth whitening kits require 14 days, SmileTime promises results in half the time.
All it needs is 6 doses of gel before putting on the mouth tray, which is attached to the LED light for 15 minutes at a time.
We noticed the difference after just 4 days of use.
With top-up doses of the gel costing £18, we think this product will deliver effective results.
Check out the links in the description box to find out how you can buy this product and all those featured in the video. Finally though, IndyBest's top-rated teeth whitening kit is this from Spotlight Oral Care, which costs just £30. Both the strips and the toothpaste contain hydrogen peroxide, aka the key to dazzling whites.
The toothpaste works exactly how I'd expect and maintains the results of the strips. And while having to keep the strips in for an hour is a little uncomfortable, it's a small price to pay for a dazzling smile.
After 2 weeks of use, I didn't notice my own smile. It was that good.
You can find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below.
Check out IndyBest for more product reviews. We hope our roundups make you sparkle.